Hi guys, today I am going to show you guys how to change the oil, car oil of course. Yeah, first what you need, you have to prepare yourself that what kind of oil do you need for your car and what kind of filter do you need for your car. And yeah, this is my Toyota Camry and I am going to use this oil, that 10W30 full synthetic, and you have to get all the information before you start from the dealer or AutoZone, yeah, or online you can search and find out what kind of oil you're gonna use. And also you need the funnel, but this is a little dirty. I don't want to use it. I cut the water bottle and a half, and I'm gonna use like a funnel because it's all clean. Yeah, that's important things, that it should be clean, your funnel. And also you need the oil pan. When you drain the oil, it should go inside of this guy. Yeah, you need also this tool that for using for the filter. Whenever you wanna take it out the filter, you have to use this tool. And also 14 for my car, of course, 14 millimeters socket, and also this little longer one that I'm gonna use it for this guy. So this is all the tools what I need. Also, I'm gonna put underneath the cardboard, that in case that I don't want to mess up the concrete. So I put the blanket front of the car. When I lie down, I'm not gonna get the dirty. So yeah, I will continue. Yeah, also you need the goggle for the safety. And yeah, so this is done. Of course, don't forget your glove too. Here is how I prepare the under the car. It's cardboard. Yeah, oil pan right there. And as you see, look right there. Now this is the knot. I'm gonna lose it and take it out. And after that, this oil gonna go into that oil pan. You see, this is the knot. Yeah.